The new SILWAY system is an innovation in home connectivity. It allows optimal coverage and maximum connection speed in every room. If the technician detects problems in bringing the optical fiber inside your flat, with the SILWAY system and without any particular work, you can easily overcome any obstacle. If in some rooms the Wi-Fi coverage is unsatisfactory because the modem is positioned at the entrance of the apartment, with SILWAY you can easily bring fiber and modem to any point of the flat, optimizing the Wi-Fi coverage. The SILWAY system is made up of specific accessories, is easy to install, and ensures a fiber optic connection everywhere, also eliminating Wi-Fi shadow areas. The micro-channel SILWAY is discreet and minimal. It integrates perfectly with any style of furniture. It can be installed next to the skirting board and door trims, making the installation practically invisible.